What if the secret to looking younger, living longer, and feeling more vibrant wasn't in a cream, a supplement, or even your diet, but in how you sleep? Yes, your sleep patterns could be the most powerful anti-aging tool you're not using right. Stay tuned as we reveal the science-backed anti-aging secrets hidden in your sleep and how to unlock them tonight. Welcome to the channel where science meets everyday wellness. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most overlooked anti-aging solutions, your sleep. Not just how much sleep you get, but when you sleep, how deeply you rest, and what your sleep cycles are actually doing to your skin, brain, hormones, and longevity. We'll break down how poor sleep accelerates aging, and more importantly, how to harness the power of your natural circadian rhythm to slow it down. Let's get started. Section 1. Why sleep is crucial to anti-aging. Sleep isn't just about rest, it's about repair. When you sleep, your body goes into a state of deep recovery. Growth hormone spikes, collagen production increases, and your brain flushes out toxins through the glymphatic system. Yes, glymphatic, not lymphatic. This nightly maintenance process is what keeps your skin smooth, your mind sharp, and your cells youthful. Inadequate or irregular sleep disrupts these mechanisms, leading to faster cellular aging, inflammation, and even DNA damage. Let's explore how this works. Section 2. Understanding circadian rhythm and aging. Your body follows a 24-hour internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. This rhythm influences everything from hormone production to body temperature to, yes, cell regeneration. When your circadian rhythm is disrupted by late nights, blue light exposure, shift work, or even eating too late, it throws off your body's natural repair schedule. This means your skin cells don't regenerate optimally. Melatonin, a powerful antioxidant hormone, doesn't get released at the right time. And cortisol, the stress hormone, stays high, damaging collagen and accelerating wrinkles, hair loss, and fatigue. Resetting your circadian rhythm is key to reversing this trend. Section 3. What happens during deep sleep? Let's talk about deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep. This stage of sleep is where the magic happens for anti-aging. In deep sleep, the body releases human growth hormone, which stimulates tissue repair and collagen production. Detoxifies the brain through cerebrospinal fluid movement, repairs muscle, skin, and cellular structures, enhances immune function. Without enough deep sleep, you age faster, inside and out. This is why people who are sleep-deprived often look older and feel more run down. Want younger-looking skin, sharper memory, and better metabolism? Prioritize deep sleep. Section 4. How to optimize your sleep for anti-aging. Now for the good stuff. How to activate the anti-aging benefits of sleep with practical science-backed strategies. 1. Stick to a sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time daily aligns your circadian clock and improves sleep depth. 2. Get morning sunlight. Sunlight first thing in the morning helps reset your internal clock and promotes melatonin production at night. 3. Block blue light at night. Use blue light blocking glasses or turn off screens an hour before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin. 4. Eat earlier in the evening. Late-night eating disrupts metabolism and prevents proper melatonin release. 5. Create a sleep sanctuary. Cool, dark, and quiet rooms signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. 6. Magnesium and glycine. These natural sleep nutrients calm the nervous system and promote deeper rest. 7. Avoid caffeine. After 2 p.m., caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 7 hours. Even an afternoon cup can reduce your deep sleep significantly. 8. Track your sleep cycles. Use a wearable or app to measure how much REM and deep sleep you're getting. Then adjust based on data. Anti-aging starts with sleep. So there you have it. The anti-aging fountain of youth may already be flowing in your sleep. Forget expensive serums and trendy supplements. If your sleep patterns are broken, you're accelerating aging at a cellular level. But by resetting your circadian rhythm, deepening your sleep, and aligning with your natural cycles, you're giving your body the tools it needs to heal, restore, and thrive. Start tonight. If you learned something valuable today, make sure to subscribe for more natural health and longevity tips. And leave a comment below. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to sleep? Until next time, sleep smart and age in reverse.